What's going on? What's going on? This is a great day we are having, but I wanted to talk to you really quick about the number one reason why a lot of guys are experiencing breakage. And I get this question all the time. Man, it feels like my beard is shorter. It seems like I have more hair coming out, whether it's in your comb, your pick, which by the way, you should make sure you should get a wooden beard comb and a wooden beard pick. And I've talked about the 4 benefits of that on another video and another post. But I get a lot of guys who've been, it's just been annoying, and they haven't been able to grow their best beard. So let me tell you really quick the reason why you have not been able to grow your best beard, why your beard is breaking, you're experiencing a lot of breakage. And the reason why is because of lack of moisture retention. Your beard strands, each strand, right, may not be able to hold water or moisture, whether that comes from actual water or a succulent plant like aloe vera, which we have aloe vera in our products. And so what you want to do is get you a rinse beard conditioner. And I can only speak for ours, because our rinse beard conditioner is a utility conditioner that will help repair your beard. And essentially what it does is that it deploys a street team, if you will, to come in and patch up the areas along your beard strand that has gaps, that's causing moisture to freely leave. So that's what our beard repair conditioner does. That's part of what the capability of the rinse beard conditioner can do. So once you're able to, in a sense, patch up whatever areas that's that's open, and the reason why moisture is just freely leaving, then now you can successfully use the leave-in beard hydrator. And the beard hydrator is what's going to apply the moisture into your hair fibers, where you have moisture throughout the day, you have softness throughout the day. So if you're walking out today and you saying, man, this morning when I was looking in the mirror, everything was all good, but now everything is all dry and it's breaking and I don't like it. Well, you have a moisture retention problem. And so even though you may be using a leave-in beard hydrator, if the moisture is not able to be retained in its wall, then you need to get you a rinse beard conditioner, so that, well, specifically ours, again, I have to be very clear, because that's what I know ours do, to help with repairing, refortifying, and bringing elasticity back to your beard. Now that way, when you use a leave-in beard hydrator, you can reap the benefits of moisture throughout the day, softness throughout the day, confidence throughout the day. And you have a sense of certainty that wherever you go, wherever room that you're in, that you have a beard that people admire. I hope that helped you. Please leave your comments below if you've ever walked out the door, or if you're walking out the door right now, or maybe you've already walked out the door and you're like, man, I just hydrated my beard. What in the world? You know what I'm talking about? Leave it below in the comments. Also, make sure you guys click the link to get the rinse beard conditioner. If you don't have the leave-in beard hydrator, you can click the link in the bio, or you can just go to the home page of our Instagram page and slide over to where they show you the shopping bag. Click on that, and voila, all of our products will unveil to you. Okay. Peace, light, and love. This is your boy B. You already know. We out. Whoosh.